Hello everyone. Today we will be learning the procedure to make online payment of income tax. Firstly, type on Google Pay Taxes Online. Click on the second link, that is e-tax payment TIN from tinnsdl.com. From the website, select Services and then click on e-payment Pay Taxes Online. Now select Challan number 280. It is important to understand that only companies must select code 0020, otherwise rest all the taxpayers come under the code 0021. For example, individuals, LLP, partnerships, all other than companies should select 0021. Now comes the type of payment. Generally, only advance tax and self-assessment taxes are paid. Just to clarify, advance taxes are paid during the financial year and self-assessment taxes are paid at the time of filing of income tax return. Now, the form talks about the mode of payment. It has various options of bank under net banking section and few in debit card options. You may like to see if your bank is registered here or not. For example, IndusInd Bank is not available in the list of net banking. After filling up the mode of payment, the form asks the permanent account number and assessment year. Assessment year is the year in which you file the income tax return. Now comes the address. As you can see, it has only city, state and PIN code as compulsory fields. Please fill in the same and proceed. Just input the CAPTCHA code and hit proceed. Please confirm your information before proceeding. For example, your name is automatically reflecting through the income tax records. Financial year is also reflecting. Just tick on I agree and press the submit to the bank. Now comes a page wherein you generally select retail users. Just key in your net banking login credentials and select an account to make payment from. Now you may put all the amount in basic tax amount itself. There is no need to bifurcate amount into surcharge, cess or interest. The basic tax can be used to settle liability for surcharge, cess or interest also. It is recommended that any penalty amount should be specified separately. After confirming the details on the next page, please select on confirm. Input the OTP and download the challan. The challan is very crucial for any assessment which may arise in future. Hence the same must be downloaded and properly documented. It takes approximately a week till the taxes are paid after the same is reflected in Form 26AS. However, the return may be filed taking the manual credit of challan. I hope the above procedure would help you understand the online income tax payment procedure. In case of any disconnect, please reach out to us on the displayed contact details. Thank you.